İyi uçuşlar dileriz. Dear guests, in your seat pocket, you will find safety cards concerning emergency instructions. Before takeoff, we recommend you read the safety card. Our aircraft has 8 exits, 2 in the forward area, 4 over the wings, 2 at the rear. The emergency lights are located above the emergency exit doors and exit areas on the ceiling. The path lights are located through the aisle. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tag into the buckle and tighten. To unfasten, lift up the metal flap on the buckle and pull apart. For children under 2 years of age, baby belts are distributed by cabin crew. In case of pressure loss, oxygen masks will drop from the panel above your seats. In this case, pull the nearest mask towards you. Place it over your nose and mouth. Adjust the headband and breathe normally. Put on your mask first, before helping your child or others. If the oxygen masks are... You should remove the face mask before putting on the oxygen mask. Your life vest is located under your seat. When instructed, remove